Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius, if you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Astronomer of Spheres in reverse, Chariot, and Judgment in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or in your personal life. So there is someone who is not who were very close to you, and you trusted this person and they were someone important to you, but their intentions are changing today, guys, and it is not good towards you, and they want to do some things to you, and they want to create obstacles or problems for you in your life today. So this person is not to be trusted. So if you know someone like that, or if you have doubts on someone in your situation, in your work, or in your life, in your personal life, you have to stay away from that person, guys. And I also see that you are going through a lot of stress, worries in your life, and each and every moment is changing. You see lot of changes happening in your situation, and you are working hard, you are putting in lot of efforts to maintain that balance. And you need to understand that whatever your situation is, you have an understanding in your heart that destiny is what is creating this situation in your life, and you understand that whatever you do, the results are whatever is destined. So that is what is reaching you today. So you have that harmony, that sense of acceptance in your heart. So it may be in your work situation, maybe you are making a lot of efforts, but certain things are not working for you, not working in the right way. So you have that acceptance in your heart towards your situation, guys. And you may be seeing some delays or suspensions in work. Some kind of problems are there in your situation. You do not have clarity, guys. A lack of clarity, that may be the reason for trouble. So you have a lot of confusions, do not know which way to go or what to decide on. So the right choices are not there for you. Maybe in this relationship also, you don't know to make the right choice, or you don't know to make a proper decision. So that is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Six of Sons. So with this card in your relationship, guys, it may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them. So there is some kind of a positive progress coming in this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, it may be some kind of a good news. Maybe you were interested in marriage or engagement to this person. Maybe they have said yes to you, or they are saying yes to you. So some kind of a positive change is what I see in your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Alchemist of Spheres. So in your career situation, guys, you are having that creativity, and you are someone who is experienced. So your knowledge and wisdom is playing the part in your life today, Aquarius, and it is helping you today in your work situation. So whatever difficulties you are facing, I feel that with your knowledge and skills, you are going to find the right way to deal with your situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card here. That is your first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. The Tinderbox Soldier. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you in your situation today, you have a lot of things going on in your mind and you need to make a choice, a wise choice. But the choices you make are going to affect someone in your life, so someone close to you, and that is the reason you are thinking. And if this harsh choice is necessary today for you, and what is the way you are going to benefit or how it is going to affect the other person, and can you live with that choice? So that is what is worrying you today. And maybe the actions we do, we may feel that we are not punished for whatever wrongs or whatever mistakes that we do. We are living happily, but we need to understand that we ourselves know that we have done something wrong in our life. So that is there in our situation. And is it worthwhile to sacrifice our ethics just for some kind of momentary happiness? And can we live with that? Can we live with such sacrifices? Sacrificing our own ethics and ideals and beliefs, whatever we stand for, the good things we have in our heart. So is this choice worth it? Worth giving up all those just for that momentary happiness or joy? So in your situation today, guys, you need to understand that, is your ambition getting over you? Is it holding that power over you to decide or make ruthless choices? So you need to think it out clearly, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So in your situation, you are making some harsh decisions for yourself and it is really painful for you. But you need to understand that you can live, you can do things in a much simpler way if you give up your ambitious attitude, guys, in life. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Greet the Dawn. So it not only means a new beginning and fresh start in life, it just means that each and every day is a new opportunity to start fresh. So whatever happened yesterday, today we are getting a chance to do things differently. So the light of a new day is an invitation to shine more brightly with love and beauty onto the world. So it may touch others and warm their day. So you don't have to take on the world, you don't have to strive hard. You just have to do your best and do not force things to happen. So the more you force things, there are going to be a lot of conflicts you are going to face today, guys. So you just need to allow your day to unfold as it is and have that sense of acceptance and gratitude for whatever gifts or challenges each and every day brings in our life. So that is what our attitude should be. the way we welcome each day with happiness, with that open arms, welcoming all those challenges and the joy it brings, with that happiness and gratitude. So when we do that, things will change for the better, guys. Our positive attitude is going to change the way things are going in our life, and it is what this card is about. That positive attitude we need to have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.